Hi guys, second park of today. This is Tivoli Friheden. Are you excited, Sarah?
I am.
Yeah, me too. It's gonna be really fun. We actually have 3 roller coasters here. If you see a difference in picture and sound, it's because we have a different camera. The reason for this is that we think it's gonna be dark. We know it's gonna be dark in like half an hour, so we cannot use the GoPro because the GoPro is struggling when it gets dark. So this is a more advanced camera with a bigger lens, so it can get in more light. But it's also harder to operate, so that's why we normally use the GoPro. But anyway, this is Tivoli Friheden. This, guys, is Tivoli Friheden. 3 roller coasters today. They're actually building a new one called Windfall, opening 2024. Hopefully we will be here for the opening of that one. They had that guy on Bonbonland, but look at this. This is awesome. We're gonna check this out. I think this can be creepy, Sarah.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I am.
Yeah?
I'm quite scared.
Quite scared? Yeah. Find some roller coasters. We can film something before it gets dark. There's gonna be so much Halloween on Coaster October. Oh, look at this guy over there. Sarah is running. Okay, so we're gonna have a great view of Sarah in this one. This is Tivoli on Tivoli Friheden. First ever POV on Coaster Stop. Yeah. That's exactly why I wanted you to sit there, so we could see you when we ride. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I hope. So we did a Mack Rides spinning coaster before. And now we're doing a Samperla one. No, not spinning, wild mouses. This is a spinning wild mouse. So we are not sure if it's good that we are sitting one side each or if it was a very stupid idea. Yeah, there's a chance we need to hold on. Yeah, that drop is amazing. I like those. I like those. Sorry guys, my hand came in the way there. Just wanted to check that everything was good. Because there was a long line. We were supposed to record POVs of all 3 of the coasters in this park. But we can't. Because it's gonna be too dark. It's windy up here.
Oh, yeah. Wait, do we have our hats on?
Yes, we do have our hats on. Yeah? Yeah, you're right. He asked us what YouTube channel we were. And I showed him my arm, but we have it on our faces. Okay, so this is the first drop. This is the small one. The Halloween in this park looks great. Woo-hoo-hoo! First impressions of this park, I have to say I like this.
Oh my God.
Okay, here we go. This is... I like this. That is awesome. I think we're gonna start spinning. Just so you know. Told ya. Woohoo! So Sarah really likes those.
This is kind of quiet.
Yeah, but we even it out good. Yeah, we're evening it out. Yeah, we're sitting on one side each. I think that was smart. Yeah. So this roller coaster opened in 2006. We saw. Yeah.
It looks kind of like this.
Are we gonna do a drop backwards? Yeah, we are gonna do that drop backwards. Woohoo! That was really fun. Well, I hope you liked that POV. Of course, if you watch the POV, make sure that you watch the full vlog. 7. Sorry, we're counting overalls. In Denmark, they're very smart. So when it's cold, they have overalls, grown-ups. And we cannot find them in Sweden, and no one uses them. Yeah, we're gonna start importing them. That was a really fun coaster. Tivoli. We are in our 3rd or 4th SBF Visa spinning coaster in 2 weeks' time. Woo! Here we go. Oh, spinny, spinny. Oh, there's no one there. Lucky that they turned the lights on so you can see what's happening. I think you only do 1 lap in this one, sadly. The other ones we have done 2 laps. No, but I mean, I think we did 3 laps. This one you only did 2. I'm sorry. I enjoy these coasters. Whee! Was it a Happy Loops at Energylandia? Sorry guys for all the POVs of this. I can't help it. See? There we go. Another SPF Visa spinning coaster. Here on Coaster Stop. We just did a Humle Dumle Honeybee spinning SPF Visa spinning coaster. Did you have fun?
I did.
Yeah, me too. That was
fine.
So anyway, it's dark, we know, but we are doing our best to make a vlog out of Tivoli Friheden. We really enjoy this park so far. We heard bad things.
But it's so nice themed.
Nice.
The roller coasters is great.
They only have 3 roller coasters. They're fun.
That's fun.
It's not the best roller coasters at all. They have
More
no.
like a Tivoli.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
And next year they're opening a Gerstlauer, which is gonna be better than what they have now, but it's still not a top roller coaster. But anyway, let's have a look around Tivoli Friheden and ride our 3rd and final roller coaster, Dragen. Just look at all the lighting. Look at this bridge over here. This is a boat ride, by the way, that we are seeing here. As you can see here, it's gonna come a boat in just a little bit. There you go. Very, very pretty. And look at this flat ride here. That's a lot of light going on. Looks very special. They have some bonkers ride. This is Sommerfuglen, but what is going on? Are you kidding me? This is bonkers. Look at the speed of this thing. It's like the Aerospin airplanes on a turbo or something. Here you see a coaster stop on the loose. She's taking pictures. She is so concentrated. Sarah! She is so concentrated.
Just took a picture time.
Yeah, no, we saw that you took a picture. We were laughing about it. We were zooming in from over here. We're laughing about your picture taking. Or you're looking at your pictures.
Thank you.
Yeah. 3rd and final roller coaster of the day. This is Dragen at Tivoli Friheden.
We had 2 laps.
Yeah, we got 2 laps. Woohoo! We're gonna do 2 laps in this one, and look who's in front of us.
Hello.
Hello, Sarah. Second POV today that you are actually on, where we can see you.
Let's make it more fun, right?
Yeah. Hold on, guys. This is Dragen. You actually have to hold on a little bit. First lap. I have to say that I'm surprised. It was quite nice. It was better than I expected. Right?
Yeah.
I really think so. I thought this was gonna be very rough.
Yeah, it's like very like.
But it wasn't. But it's not. Okay, Sarah, arms up.
No, I have to hold on.
Yeah, arms up. Arms up. Whee! No, actually, I have to hold on a little bit. That's a bonkers ride that we talked about before. Woo! Could I have one of those at home? We just did Dragen. The Bumblebee roller coaster, which I don't remember the name of ever. And we did the Typhoon.
Yeah.
What do you think?
They were all great.
I
They're
think
like they are kiddie coasters, but they're great.
no, but we had a lot of fun in those.
Yeah.
And Tivoli Friheden in general is looking really, really good. So we are now gonna take a stroll through the park and actually film and vlog a little bit. So yeah, that was the coasters. You saw something awful. Look what's hanging in the trees. It's freaking dolls. That is creepy as a word that I can't say. Haunted House 5D, we guess that's a cinema. I have to say though, the facade here is awesome. But here you kind of get what it is. Looks like a Walking Dead game. I'm not sure if you see that, but I do. Love what they did with the lighting and the pumpkins here. Fantastic, looks great. I know they're fake, but still the theming. This is where we entered, but it still looks, now it looks amazing. Wow. We found Circus Dystopia, I think I said that's the name, but we found something more. Frihetslaboratoriet. And if you look over there, I would say it's over there. Not sure if this is open yet. Yeah, it is. So it's like a maze, I would say. And it's called Freedom Laboratory. And it may not look very creepy from the camera, but looking at these red lights and everything going on here, it looks like there's a prison inside there. Sarah is sitting next to this shiny guy, so you can barely see her. But she is there, I promise. It's her new boyfriend. We call him Mr. Pumpkin.
Mr. Pumpkin Man.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Pumpkins. Who doesn't love pumpkins with lights in them? Oh, look at this. The theming here.
Sure.
They put chairs in the tree. Why not?
Looks scary.
It's not as creepy as the dolls, but I have to say that the hanging ones was not... It's not that I feel at ease.
There's someone there.
Okay. Sarah, he wants a hug. No? Bye. Oh, here's the clowns again. I have to say that, I'm sorry for the flashing, guys. I have to say that this Halloween, very pretty, very theme park. Everything is pretty, but compared to Liseberg, there is nothing scary.
No, it's not.
The scary guys in this park, they hug you.
Yeah.
If you want
you
to.
Get a hug or a high five.
Yeah.
They're very nice.
Very nice. Okay, guys, that was Tivoli Friheden.
Yes.
What do you think, Sarah?
I think it's very nice.
Yeah?
They had a nice Halloween theming and it was cozy.
Yeah, I think that was very cozy.
Yeah.
We were lucky with the weather. It's very windy, but it stopped raining.
Yeah.
So we're good with that. I
We got
think
our maps.
we got our maps. That's really important. They didn't have any coffee mug for me, but that, yeah, it is what it is. But we had a lot of fun in this park. We rode a 3 roller coaster. We didn't ride anything else, but we strolled around and looked at the Halloween theming, which we really enjoyed. You saw the chairs, dolls hanging.
Wow.
They don't have any scare areas. They only had 2 haunted houses, so they're not going all in, but I still appreciate what they're doing. It looked nice.
It looks very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So guys, please subscribe
Like.
and comment. Bye guys.
Bye guys.